I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Alfredo sauce from scratch. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, fresh Parmesan cheese, unsalted butter, and garlic. These simple components are the foundation for a truly rich and creamy sauce. You'll also need some pasta water, which is a secret ingredient for perfect emulsification. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute, being careful not to brown it. Pour in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 2 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Remove your pan from the heat before adding the cheese. Gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, whisking continuously until it's completely melted and smooth. If your sauce is too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of the starchy pasta water until you reach your desired creamy consistency. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Alfredo sauce. Toss the warm sauce with your freshly cooked pasta until every strand is coated. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a little more Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and savor this delicious, easy-to-make dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.